Mote Marine Laboratory and Aquarium is located on City Island, nestled between Lido Key and Longboat Key, just a short distance away from downtown Sarasota. We have multiple event venues available, each providing a unique setting for your event. The bay side of the island is where our beautiful Cheeky Hut is located. This space is a wonderful venue for a wedding ceremony, an adult birthday party, a corporate event, or any other intimate celebration. The built-in dining tables provide seating for about 55 people. The Cheeky offers an outdoor kitchen and a beautiful seashell bar. The Cheeky Hut can be utilized for your entire event, or it can be rented for 1 hour in addition to another venue space at Mote. Give your event the novel setting only an aquarium can offer. Events taking place in the aquarium can begin on or after 5:30 p.m. The indoor aquarium gallery is a unique setting in which your guests will be immersed in the beauty of the ocean. This space can be utilized for a small seated dinner of 40 guests or less, or it can be rented in addition to the aquarium courtyard, as a space well suited for a cocktail reception prior to the main event beginning in the aquarium courtyard. This space also offers an ocean-themed virtual reality experience as an add-on for your event. Just beyond the indoor aquarium gallery is our Coastal Waters exhibit. Guests will walk through this space on their way to the aquarium courtyard. Entering the aquarium courtyard, we have several interactive exhibits guests can enjoy during the event, including a stingray touch pool and a 135,000-gallon shark tank. All of our interactive exhibits are staffed by our wonderful volunteers who will happily interact with your event guests. The main courtyard space is a blank slate that can be transformed into whatever your taste and event entails. The aquarium courtyard can hold up to 400 guests. On the north side of Mote's large campus is the Keating Marine Education Building. The new pass room is situated on the 3rd floor of the building, with astounding views of the New Pass Waterway, the Gulf of Mexico, and Sarasota Bay. With a 1,300 square foot balcony, this venue is perfect for a formal reception, casual cocktail party, professional meeting, and more. In the evening, you can enjoy 360-degree sunset views from the new pass room. As you can see, Mote Marine Laboratory and Aquarium offers a wide range of venue spaces. Our venues offer a departure from the ordinary, with spectacular exhibits and breathtaking waterfront views, showcasing everything that is special about Sarasota and her islands.